Hello traders, before I get into this one, if you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with a bunch of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, you can grab it using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing FxAlchemist. Let us walk through their site from the top the same way you would say it if you landed there yourself. Okay, so the homepage opens by calling this hands-free automated trading system, and with a track record of up to 5% monthly performance according to them. Right under that, they show a row of media logs, or I mean media logos. Okay, let's just head back to the top. All right, so you see outlets like Market Insider, MetaPress, Analytics Insight, and a few others they say have featured them. Okay. Now scrolling to what makes us unique, they describe two proprietary methods. The pattern alchemy is described as their way of studying chart patterns with an emphasis on recent trends so the system stays current with what is working. Adapt Fusion is described as the part that fine-tunes everything on top of that. They also point out that unlike systems that focus on a single currency, FxAlchemist trades a range of currencies, which they say helps spread out risk. And importantly, this one is confirmed directly on the site. It is compatible with both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So moving into the benefits section, they highlight mobile access for monitoring and managing trades from your phone, a flexible setup that works whether you are running your own broker and PC or a more streamlined server-free option, continuous market analysis. They describe as running 247 and full freedom to use whichever broker you choose. Now let us get to the chart because this is really the centerpiece of the page. They call it from backtesting to live performance, and it's showing account value in euros. Okay, starting from January 2019. Now, what is important here is how they've labeled it. This is a backtest and live performance combined, and it is non-compounding. Well, according to based on what we have seen displayed here. Okay, now looking at the equity curve itself, it starts around 100,000 euros back in 2019 and climbs fairly steadily, reaching somewhere in the high 300,000 euros, or probably this shows backtest performance, this shows live performance. So this crossed 400,000 euros. All right, looks like it. Okay, or thereabouts. By the time you hit the transition point on the chart, the transition point on the chart should probably be around mid 300,000s or so. Okay, transition between the back test and the live. Now after that point, the color changes from purple to teal, which the chart legend labels as backtest performance versus live performance. From there, the line continues upward, roughly 418,000 euros or thereabouts by the most recent point shown. So the site states that testing ran for a long time before actually going live in May of 2025. And separately, in their stats section, the list live performance duration as 14 months. So here's the important distinction for you as a trader. Okay. Um, the vast majority of that curve from 2019 through around mid 2025 is backtested data, not live trading. Okay. And the live portion only covers roughly the last year or so. So that's not necessarily a red flag on its own, since backtesting is a normal part of developing a system, but it does mean the headline growth figures are largely built on hindsight based testing rather than years of real account results. The stats they pull out from the same chart are a total return of 318%, a yearly return of 43%, an average monthly return of 3.5%, and a duration of 7.4 years. Now, worth noting is that they've also included their own disclaimer directly under the chart, stating that past performance is not indicative of future results, okay, which is a fair and accurate point to make about any track record, backtested or live. One thing I'll flag as a viewer myself is that, the FAQ section on the site. Okay, let's just go. It's actually important to go through the FAQ section on the site. Actually, if you have any questions, perhaps if any of them are answered. Here we have why is FxAlchemist so affordably priced? Okay, so all these are basically FAQ questions, but here, how do I set up the software in case you have a question, in case you have that question in mind? You can see the response here, which leverage is 1 to 200, average drawdown about 1 to 3%, according to what is written here. You can check our verified track record on MyFX book for the full performance details. Okay, so I will encourage you to go through the FAQ if you are really interested in this expert advice. So all right, before drawing any conclusions about the risk involved. Now on the pricing, there are three plans. There is a platinum. All right, there is a platinum lifetime plan at 349 euros, discounted from 699 euros, a silver monthly plan at 39 euros, and a gold plan at 99 euros for 3 months. This is per month. This is per month. Oh, sorry, this is lifetime. The 349 euros is a lifetime plan. Silver plan is monthly, and gold plan is per 3 months. Okay, and all three comes with a 14-day money back guarantee. All right, and so here's where this one lands based on what is shown. FxAlchemist is a multi-currency MT4 and MT5 compatible system built around its own pattern recognition approach, with a long backtest history and a much shorter, about 14-month live track record sitting behind those headline growth numbers. The drawdown figure, which will help you judge the risk side of that equation, is something that would be important to also verify further. As always, this is not financial advice. If FxAlchemist is something you are considering, I'll I'll recommend importantly to go through the page, the website, and get as much information as you can. If there is anything I missed so far in this review. Okay, so remember that no system fits every trader, so the due diligence is on you. So that's the review, and let me know what you'd like me to look at next. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.